So I have uploaded the DOVLY AI first all-in-one credit platform powered by artificial intelligence that helps you control of your credit journey. It's supposed to be free, so I'm gonna show you just what the informations that are needed to create an account. So of course, it's gonna need your first and last name. First, it's gonna need your email, and then it's gonna show you this information. So what are your credit goals? So this is already an app that I downloaded on my iPhone. So before you sign up, you have the email, and then it's gonna ask you, how do you feel about your credit? You're gonna answer that, and then you're gonna hit next, and then it's gonna ask you about your credit challenge, and then you'll also just answer that. And then from there, you will start entering your personal information. So because they're gonna check your credit, you are going to enter your first and last name, of course, your date of birth, and then your address. And then from there, you're gonna enter your social security number too. Then they will need your ID and then a picture of your social security number, social security card. So I stopped right there because I needed to do reviews first, and these are in I needed to see informations before I give out all my sensitive information. So before you do that, so here's what I found on informations for DOVLY AI. So if you wanna read through that, it's easier. So I put it all together for you. Also at the very end, so these are just quick informations online, and then at the very end, I had looked into the DOVLY website, and it does say it's free, but you'd have to have a plan to be able to. Of course, you'd have to pay monthly. But again, it was just this showing you what informations are needed, and is it worth it to give out your sensitive information, and then it's advertising as free. Is it really free? So here's their website. Because I also have Credit Karma, and I'm trying to compare it if it's actually gonna help you or gonna help us or me up our credit score. In the website, you're also gonna see the FAQs, like the question of how does DOVLY AI help increase credit scores is there. And the rest of the FAQs are here, just so you'll have an idea. I have not signed up yet because I need to compare it with Credit Karma that I already have, and it's free as well. So if you have experience with, if you're already logged on, or if you already have a plan or subscribe to DOVLY AI, please give it a comment